Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, behalf of this new moon, I had said that I will be getting a tarot spread behalf of this, and here's the tarot spread. So let's start. Let's see what this new moon wishes to convey you. So the very first message we will see, the card is for what this new moon brought to you. Still energies are there up till tomorrow, so still let's see what it is bringing more. This is what we will see. What is your energy behalf of this new moon? Let's see if you are holding on to something, or you are scared, or to open up or something. Then what is it? Let's see. Okay, then what you have to manifest for yourself, also how you can focus on your intentions to manifest it. So let's start, and let me tell you one thing that if required we will be saying clarifiers also if required. So the very first card what this new moon brought to you is bringing to you patience. This is what I'm seeing, that this new moon is teaching you to have patience. Maybe something might have happened, some argument or something like that, but here this new moon was teaching you that you need to have that patience and you have that infinite power. Maybe like something happened because of which you had to convince your point to the opposite person, or maybe that opposite person or people were conveying their side to you, but somewhere it didn't work out also. But here it is trying to tell you to have patience, and you have that. Like stay, even though if you stay calm, you can work on it. This is what I'm seeing over here. You need not just be in that five of wands energy, that you are arguing and all. So what is your energy over here? Let's see. Oh wow, beautiful energy. So you are coming into this energy now. Just because we are seeing a queen over here doesn't mean this is only for females. No, this is for everyone, because we are just seeing energies over here. So this is your energy that you like you are now more alert. This is what I would say, or you are more considered to build your own throne. This is what I'm seeing with this card. Beautiful thing, beautiful message, energy. Like you wish to you know uh, be abundant in your life, prosperous in your life. And for some of them, yes, you are attracting that abundance and that prosperity. Beautiful energy, to claim it. So let's see the third card, that is like what you need to open to yourself if you're holding it back. Okay, strange. Just few minutes back when I was doing the same reading in Hindi, the same card appeared. So with this card, I feel mm, you need to stay practical and need to have balance with respect to money, because I'm seeing pentacles over here. So, and presence of these people, so you need to have a lot of balance. This is what I'm seeing with yourself. Like uh, you should, if possible, please do charity work for the needy ones. This is what I'm seeing with this card. Another thing, this person is reading out something. This person is also having that key. Like I'm getting the feeling that you're quite experienced in some or the other thing. So use your skills. This is what I would say. Like if possible, uh, charity in what way, not just by giving them money or something, but guide them how these people can work. This is what I would say over here. How these people can work for themselves. This is how you can guide. You look quite experienced also. This is what I would say. And yes, you need to have that balance within you. You need to be practical enough, guys. This is what I'm seeing over here. And maybe you're holding on to it, like you're not being open. Like in your mind you might be thinking that these people can work on their own also, but still they are dependent on you or something else also. But no, here you need to be stay practical and you need to guide them. This is what I'm seeing over here. So let's see what you have to manifest. Okay, so maybe you face a lot of challenges and obstacles, and they are part of life. And what is said to you is that you need to keep on working. like you need to do some you need to have that faith in divine, that universe. And what you have to manifest is you just keep working and doing it. You can yes, you can do some rituals, remedies, and you can turn this wheel. Like you can bring your good days back. Well, I won't say that your good days are over or no, no, something, no, not nothing like that. But this wheel of fortune, it keeps on moving. So it is in your hand to bring those days back by just, staying consistent, staying constant, and giving that fight. Whatever obstacles, challenges are coming, you're giving that fight and you're giving your best. Only then this wheel will turn for you. This is what you have to manifest. For that, you can, yes, you can use manifestation also. So, how you can focus on your intentions? Oh, beautiful. So here you are been asked to focus on yourself. Can you see there is so much positivity in this card? Like you need to focus on yourself. Like please don't see like how much this person has gone ahead of you, why this person is behind you, but behind you as in like why this person is doing nothing in life also. No, please focus on yourself. If someone is ahead of you, please like learn from them something. And I am sensing a lot, like you need to focus on yourself, like self healing, self love, self worth. Because with this card I feel maybe you are pulling yourself down, that why I am only facing this, why only I am going through this and that. This is what I'm sensing over here. Because of this black color present in this card also, I'm feeling a lot of darkness. But you need to bring that light in your life. Can you see the sun is slowly, it's not full, but halfway it is at least. So you need to do that, and this will only happen when you focus on yourself. And I'm seeing a lot of nature around this in this picture. So consider going into the nature. Take out time for yourself, meditate in the nature, do some yoga practices and all. This is what I would say. Walk barefooted, do grounding and all. I would say that please focus on healings. It will really help you to manifest the life you want. This is what I would say. And instead of being dependent on someone, please, focus on being self dependent. This is what I would say. Start with a job with some fine salary, might be less, but start with it. At least make a start, give a kick. This is what I would say. And then move forward. You can build your own empire. This is what I would say. And beautiful message this is. I'm taking another card over here. Okay. So this one card is there, and I feel this is some of them, like this card is giving you a message that you have successfully, cleared all of your obstacles and challenges, and you have won. This is what I'm saying with this card. So I don't know for whom this message is. For whomsoever it is, congratulations to you. I'm taking another card. Just a minute. Okay. So this message is for someone. Maybe, you're talented, you have unique ideas, you have a lot within you, but maybe still you are not, you yourself, you're sabotaging. Like you feel you're not enough, you're not unique or so. But this lady is trying to remind you that you have those skills, you have each and everything within you, and you're not focusing there, you're just focusing over here. This is what I'm seeing over here. So guys, please move your attention towards the positive side. Maybe something has happened, and that is why maybe some of you have lost that confidence. But no, there is someone to encourage you. Focus on that, guys. Focus on that. I don't know why this card came up. Well, I am taking out clarifiers for this card and this second card also. Let's check out what comes up. Why these two cards all of a sudden came out. Oh wow. The first card that came up, this Seven of Wands, and I said you that some of you have cleared, like literally clearly cleared the challenges and obstacles, and you always do that. and you are coming into this energy, the king of wands, beautiful energy, claim it. Like you are becoming that king, this is what I'm saying. And again, with this king card doesn't mean this is only for men and boys, this is for everybody. So you are becoming that, like you are becoming the empire of your own life, of your own kingdom, of your own throne. Beautiful, because you have given that fight. Let's see the clarifier for this card. Why it came suddenly. Let's see. Okay, okay. So as I felt somewhere looking at that this card, that something might have happened with you or had happened with you, because of which you have lost your confidence, or you feel that you're not enough, you're not unique. And this lady is trying to change your focus. She's trying to tell you that you have that within you. The clarifier came, this five of cups. Like whatever I felt, that something has really happened with you in past, or maybe recent past, or whatsoever it is, and you have lost your confidence or so. This is what, as I said, and you're not focusing where you need to focus. There are opportunities, you are still focusing where nothing is left now. So, and with this, black colored dress, like I'm feeling that you are not in a very good energy. But guys, please focus on what you have. Here also it is telling you there is something on which you can focus. Here also it is showing the same thing, you have something that where you can focus. Then please focus on this and not this. This is what I would say, guys. So guys, I hope you understood the reading and it was quite insightful for you. If, then please let me know in comments. Please give a like. Thank you.